All right, we're going to take a peek at our Start.All 5000 amp jump pack, and this is a Chevy truck. It's completely dead, and we're going to see if we can start it today. So we're going to go around to the inside the cab here. We're going to take a listen to the ignition. As you can tell, there's absolutely very little juice at all. We're going to go back around. Normally we would hook these up independently and turn our jump pack on, but because I'm one-handed today, we're going to turn on the jump pack. You'll see the red flashing 8s here. It's got a green 8. I'm going to walk all the way back around. We're going to put the key in the ignition. And there you have it. A nice live truck ready to make you money.